I told the wife I'll have a month off from working underground because my health was pretty good. But after 3 weeks of painting and doing everything for Mrs. Locke, I decided I'd had enough of a break. So I went down to the job centre and I saw an advertisement for New Deal supervisor. And I've worked in this particular industry for the last 10 years.
He made everything plausible. Yeah, I reckon I could do that. I could do that. As long as he was sort of behind me saying, yes, of course you can do it. Go on, have a go. And before we knew it, I was doing an NVQ in business admin. I was doing my Sage Finance. I had all these different courses all lined up.
It's like climbing the stairs. I put them on the first step and I'm there for them if they fall back. And I'm just a small part. I'm a small cog in a big wheel.
I'll never forget Rob for the strength that he gave me, because I wouldn't have done it without him.
When you were creating something in the community and having these youngsters learning new skills, it eased the transformation. And then when you see them later on in your life, it's brilliant to see them that you've helped in a small way.
Eva's just brilliant, and I hope he carries on doing the job, because he is gifted. He reaches people that perhaps other people don't reach. It's a bit like a beer advert, isn't it? Yeah. No, I'd like to thank him for everything he done.
I just feel that it's a workways award rather than an individual award. It's a project that has helped so many, and the team, we all haven't got the right answers, but with the mixture that we've got next door, I think we do get there eventually, and it's an award for workways and the staff that are here with me.